Okay, superb brand that Wellingtons do very well with, and we really like the products. And we're now able to offer free nationwide delivery on the whole range of Liebherr. Refrigeration, both freestanding and integrated. The product is German, and they also build for another big German brand, Miele. So you know what sort of quality you're looking at. If you're looking at Miele, Liebherr are building for them. To back that, on the A, B and C energy rated products, they're going to be offering a 10-year guarantee, parts and labour. And on the slightly lesser energy rated products, they come with a 2 years, which you can extend. Got some really nice features. As I say, check out the Wellingtons website, so Wellingtons Home Electrical. If you're interested, you can either give us a call or you can order on the website, and we can arrange for that to be delivered to your home anywhere in the UK.